A function generator is a very useful tool for electronics development and experimentation. Here I'll show you how to make it even better by controlling it from a computer and how I eventually got it working for mine. Now for RF, this Morpheus is super because it's both a signal generator and a mixer, and it goes up to 5 GHz. It works great, but it's pretty single-minded. For lower frequency applications, like audio or general signal processing, a device with more flexibility is more relevant. I'm sure you've seen the Feeltech aka FeelElec waveform generators. They're everywhere online because they're quite cheap, offer a whole bunch of functions, and are surprisingly accurate. Mine is the FY2300, an arbitrary waveform generator that goes up to 20 MHz, though I mostly just use the sine and square waves. Functions like the sweep and AM/FM modulation are pretty handy too. Although the interface works just fine, I'm a big fan of automation. For repeatable test sequences, gathering data, remote control, or just to easily switch between two settings, whatever. I want to be able to use this thing through a program. One of the reasons I settled on the Feeltech devices was Matt Wach's library on GitHub. It's Python, so easy to hack and will run anywhere. Perfect. Thing is, when I tried to use it, no go. No response, nothing but hang. Umo. Okay, less impressive than I'd hoped. Peeking into the source code to find this UMO revealed it was just a simple send to query for the model. I tried using a serial terminal to issue UMOs directly, and when that didn't work, I looked into the datasheet. Though they keep talking about complete open protocol, it's not that easy to find, but the important thing is the baud rate. Everywhere I looked, it was stated as 9600, whereas the FYgen source code hard-coded it at 115200. Okay, so I messed around on the terminal till I found a combo that worked. At 9600 BPS, I could get a response. Huzzah! A quick change to the source and I'm done. So I start it up and it looks good. Then I issue a set command. Oh my, this is slow. But it does seem to be working. Then, not. Getting stuck on WMN0. So looking further, I noticed a few things. The receive command is doing a read until, but the device, for some commands, is returning strings that aren't terminated with a new line. So each read is taking a million years before it times out. The WMNO command thing is to enable the channel, and it's not returning anything at all, so the code is just retrying over and over. Now without going into all the details, I enhanced the FYgen library to add parameters for the baud rate, unterminated commands, stuff like that in the constructor, modified the exchange protocol to account for this, and just made it work. So now, through Python, we can connect, control the waveform, and play with sweeps. Okay, cool. Mission accomplished. Now I can get back to, making hardware. If you have the same or a similar signal generator and want to play with it via computer, I'm working to get these mods included in the upstream library, but we'll make a download link to my fork available in the meantime. The API is well documented and easy to use, and should allow you to use a whole range of Feeltech waveform generators. I hope this was informative or otherwise useful and will help you in your own projects. Happy hacking, see you later.